of the actions seem small, but they may be important to employees. For example, under physical, one of the actions was provide fresh fruit daily for employees. These were manufacturing employees, working on the floor, heavy machinery kind of things.
Oh, wow.
So you would think that wouldn't be a big thing. It was so to reduce costs. Their general manager looked at stopping that fresh fruit. They got so much pushback from employees. It turns out, we didn't know, but the thing the employee liked the most was having fresh bananas daily. Because it was a grab, and you could grab it in the break room and go eat it wherever, and it was easy, and you didn't have to buy chips from the vending machine or something.
Yeah.
And so that who knew? We would not have known that that's what they enjoyed the most. That was really meaningful to them.